Hello everyone, welcome to SAT Maths. This is chapter number 1, Language and Tools of Algebra, Variable Expression, and in this video we will be covering the practice questions. The concept of this topic we have covered in the previous video. So if you have not watched this, please go through that video number 1. So let's start with the questions over here. First statement says, twice the product of m and n decreased by the square of sum of m and n. Which of the following is an expression for the statement above? So twice the product of mn. So when we say product of mn means m times n. We are doing twice of it. So 2 times of this. This is decreased. Decreased means minus by the square of sum of m and n. So first we will do the sum of m and n, and square of it means power 2. So 2mn minus m plus n whole square. So if you look at the options, 2mn minus m plus n whole square, option B is the correct answer for this. Next question. The product of a number x and 4 decreased by 12. So product of what? Product means multiplication of number x and 4. So x and 4 we write like this. Product means multiplication 4 times x. This is decreased by 12. Decreased again mean minus by 12. So 4x minus 12 is the answer for this, which is option D. It can also be represented like this. 4 you can take common and you can also say x minus 3. Both of them are correct over here. Look at this next question. Mario received Y text messages each minute for 10 minutes yesterday and received T text messages each minute for 20 minutes today. What is the total number of text messages he received for 2 days in terms of Y and T? So yesterday he received Y text messages every minute. So in 1 minute Y message, in 2 minutes 2y, in 3 minutes 3y. So for 10 minutes if he have received the messages, total how many messages yesterday he has received? So you can say yesterday for every minute he received y messages. So for 10 minutes he will receive 10y messages. And similarly for today he received t text messages each minute for 20 minutes today. Every minute he got t messages and total of 20 minutes. So total messages he received is 20t. So it is asking what is the total number of text messages he received in 2 days. So if you add them, so it is simply 10y plus 20t. So 10y plus 20t, option D is the correct answer. Let's see the next. Which of the following expression represents the product, again means multiplication, product of 3k and the sum of m and 1/3 of m. So sum means plus. So product of 3k and the sum of these two. Now if you want to write the sum of these two, sum of what? Sum of m and 1/3 of n. 1/3 of n is this. So this sum, and we are taking the product of 3k and this. So 3k multiply by this. So 3k multiply by this. So you can simply say 3k. Generally we don't write the cross symbol. So m plus 1/3 of n. So m plus 1/3 of n, option C is the correct answer. Next, the quotient of 19 and a number d. Quotient of 19 and number d means 19 divided by d. Increased by 7. Increased means plus by 7. So this is the expression over here. 19 divided by d plus 7. 19 divided by d plus 7. Option A is the correct answer. Look at this next. The difference between two numbers is 8. Smaller number is n to the third power. What is the greater number? So we can say first thing, greater minus smaller is 8. It is saying the smaller number is n to the third power. So n to the third power is this. So greater minus n to the third power is 8. So what is the greater number? Greater number is 8 plus n cube. Adding n cube on both the sides. So greater number is 8 plus n cube plus 8, which is this answer. So I hope you have understood all these questions. So if you have any doubt related to the questions related to the SAT Maths, you can send your doubts over this email ID, or you can connect with me over the WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching this.